look at all that static. Ugh. Don't you hate when this happens? Like, I was using my normal hair dryer and it's not even helping. Watch. The static is still there, okay? But first, let me just switch this up real quick. Okay, I've heard so much good things about the Mera Classic Hair Dryer and I cannot wait to use it. I heard that it combats static and frizz, so let's try it out, okay? Turn it on. Look at that! Look at the difference. Look at how slick this one looks, and look at how so much frizz I have this side. Let me try it. Watch. Static wear. Static wear. It does combat static, guys. I don't see no static here, so what are they talking about? Take my card. Take my card.